Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And we're just rolling them out, man, rolling them out. Austin is actually here, but it was a long day for him. He's actually knocked out. I don't know if this will wake him up and he'll pop in here or not, but we'll see, man. Apologies if the lighting is a little bit off. My remote died in my light at the top, and if I turn it on, it's like the fan is like going berserk up there. So hopefully this works, man. But today, man, today I got some more early heat for y'all, man. These do release this Saturday, and you already saw in the description, so I'm not gonna bother trying to hide it or do any of that stuff, man. We just put it out there and let you check it out. Yao Ming. So these are the Air Jordan 6 Retro. Color scheme is black and infrared, man. It is a size 10.5. You see the box, you already know what it is. Shout out to the plug, as always. These guys, man, them infrared 6s. Infrared 6s. On everybody's must-cop list for 2019, man. I'm gonna be 100 with you. I like them. Don't get it twisted. I like them. Was it a must-cop for me? Not really. Not really. I'm not a huge fan of the 6s. I know it was the first shoe he wore his first championship in and all of that, man. I like it because it's got the OG, so it's an actual OG version of the sneaker. I'll hold that up so you can see that in the back. Hopefully this lighting is doing it justice. You can see, I can see the 3M popping in there, so you should be able to see it too, popping through the air holes on the side. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. You see those guys there, man. It's dope. The reason I don't like the 6s as much, man, to be honest, is the icy soles, man. I don't particularly like any shoe with icy soles. Not that I don't like them, it's just I wear my shoes, so then they start looking real nasty on the bottom, man, and that's what turns me off about them. But other than that, man, from this view, which is technically what you see anyway, it is dope. Let's get into it. Y'all want to know about leather quality? Feels good to me. Nah, man, it's I guess that's a nubuck. It feels like a nubuck leather going through there. Maybe a slight suede-ish, somewhere between nubuck and suede. The color on the infrared, everybody has been talking about that as well. I do have a couple of pair of infrared shoes up there that have a very pinkish look, and this infrared appears to actually be red, so I guess Jordan Brand got it right when it came to that this time. You can see the lace locks have the Nike on them, okay? As well as the Jumpman on the other side. Hopefully you can see that both times. What else we got in here, man? We got Nike Air on the inside. Gonna pull these laces out so we can open this guy up a little bit, because eventually these will go to feet, so no worries there. I will rock them. There's Nike Air on the inside there, man. I apologize if you cannot see that. There we go. Nike Air on the inside, man. Red sole. Other than that, man, it's a clean shoe, man. It is a very clean shoe. Is it worth a cop? Is it worth $200? Yes, yes. And the reason I'm gonna tell you why it's worth $200 is because everything else that has come with OG branding, like Nike Air branding on a Jordan, has been $220 or above. Like those Legend Blue 3s that were kind of trash to me. not necessarily trash, but I didn't feel like they were worth the $220. This, materials wise, the materials definitely feel good. And the fact that it's only $200, man, I definitely rock with that. Very, very good. I don't see any factory deflects. I don't see any factory defects in this particular shoe. Maybe a little bit of glue you can see going around. Maybe just a little bit of glue. I don't know if that'll come up or not, but it's definitely not enough to make me upset about, man. I'm not real big on any of that stuff making me feel some kind of way about the shoe. There is a little bit of a spot right there. I'm not really sure what that is. But other than that, man, the shoe is very clean. I like it. The wifey's, when she saw this right here, she started doing this number like it was those Reebok pumps, y'all.
Flying from the top of the key is easy. It's the landings that kill your feet. That's why I fly with the pump from Reebok. When I pump up, my size 13s get support, protection, and a custom fit. So, Michael, my man, if you want to fly first class, pump up and air out.
Switch to the greatest sports performance shoe in the world, the Reebok Pump. Pump up and air out.
So, that's what she thought of it. She thought it was a pump shoe. So, Jordan 6 infrareds in the building, man. Like I said, they do drop this Saturday. I have not checked the apps, but I'm assuming that they're going to be on all the reserved apps. Foot Locker, Foot Action Champs should be widely available. Every other OG that they have dropped, the last 4 or 5, including the Concords, were widely available. Like, if you really wanted a pair, you can get a pair. Just do your due diligence, man. Enter all your raffles, and hopefully you come up with a pair. If you're wanting a pair, man, is an All-Star Weekend release. There's a lot of stuff releasing this weekend, All-Star release. I thought I was gonna get my hands on those social status 6s, man, with the animal fur on them. I think those guys are dope. A lot of people don't like them. That's good. I hope they don't like them. That way I can get them rather easy. But the plug was not able to come through for me yet. He did tell me it's coming. It's just, you know, I probably won't get them early. So other than that, man, we got these infrared 6s in the building. All right, it's your boy Pops. Hopefully you're able to grab a pair of these on Saturday, and drop a comment and let me know what you think of these guys, man. If whether or not you're gonna try to cop these guys, if you think that they're worth the $200, just chop it up with me, man. Let me know what you think. So, Dad Cam, Solo Dolo, check it out. Holla.